Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to the video on this 2014 Ford F-150. This particular F-150 is the STX package and it's equipped with the 3.7 liter V6 engine. It's an extended cab. We'll just walk you around and show you some of the features here, as well as give you a condition overview on the truck. So starting off up here, you can see that as part of the STX package, the bumper is a body colored bumper as well as a body colored grille surround with a black insert in it. The bumper is in very good shape. On this generation F-150s, they usually have a little bit of rust on them. This one does not seem to have much of that. There is a little bit of chipping, and in those chips you can see a little bit of rust, but overall very clean looking steel bumper for that generation of truck. Got a nice alloy rim over here, mounted up with a Goodyear Wrangler tire. All of your F-150 and STX badging there, as well as a factory Ford running board there. Continuing around, this is the standard bed length for the extended cab truck. They did make an 8-foot bed. This is not it. I believe this one's 6.5 feet long. Continuing around the back, you have your flex fuel badge, F-150 badging again. Come down low, you can see your hitch receiver as well as your 7- and 4-pin wiring for hooking up a trailer. Before we step in, I'd like to point out this mirror does have a pretty nice blind spot section on it. If you're just trying to change lanes or anything like that, you don't have to crane your neck. This spot actually is set so that it just hits right in the blind spot of your truck, so you don't have to, like I said, turn your head or anything like that. It is a manually adjustable driver's seat. You have your manual bottom control here, tilt control back here, and the lumbar adjustment right there. It is equipped, however, with power windows and locks, as well as power mirrors. This control is located on a standard fashion over here in the door. Jumping in here, you can see that you do have all of your cruise control stuff there on the left-hand side. Bluetooth controls on the right. Fire it up. See, it does have 84,000 miles on it right now, 84,487. All of your radio controls right there, climate controls down low here, and 4-wheel drive selector over there. Relatively standard controls and features on the inside of this guy, but it does have power locks, windows, and all the standard stuff like that. 12-volt power supply located over here. I'm just going to give a quick walk around overview any of the dents, damage, or defects on this truck. Although it is in very good condition, there are a couple little things here. Like I said, up in the front, there's some chipping up in the front end, especially on the lower bumper. I already showed that to you guys. I'm not going to really go over that a whole lot more. This side of the truck is pretty good here. There's not a whole lot of dents, scratches, anything like that. That all looks good. Coming around, tailgate and rear bumper looks good. The one defect here is a scrape mark that actually runs from right here up to here. There's a dent there, and the scrape mark continues and stops halfway down the back of the clamshell door here. Now that is a fixable defect, but it's quite expensive to paint a whole bedside in 3 different panels. So because it's down low and we can cover it, it's not rusting. We feel that it's a better value to the customer to leave this particular truck that way, but it could be fixed given some additional charges. Overall though, very good condition vehicle, good shape, great capability at a fantastic price for a truck. If you'd like to come out and give it a test drive, you can stop out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Visit us online at thomasata.com or give us a call at 717-485-4224. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you found it helpful.